Any?
Good morning. Good morning. I'm Orlando Lima from Brazil, working with extractive industries and sustainability. And when we hear your presentation, we can somewhat think that maybe there is some convergence among all the social welfare programs and new demand into the telecom services. New people using the services, and it can suggest that there are new markets being identified and being raised through those processes. And my question to you, Mr. Shin, would be, do you see this like that? And if you see new markets coming in, do you have any business cases around those markets? How do you measure those markets that are emerging like that? Thank you.
Yeah. Actually, I introduced the Happy Meal Box, the franchise. Actually, about the 10 or 20% of our meal box are sold to the people who just wants for their lunch at more at higher price, and then we could partly sponsor by those activities, and then we started the process controlled by the Happiness the Foundation, and then there is the standard process, and then how to manage the whole procurement, and then hygienic the control, and then how to manage the logistics. So now we are now franchising our whole process, and then maybe the local governments might partly be sponsored by those the mailbox operation. That could be the other idea, and then also, in case of even though I haven't explained here, the mobile blood donation is another project we just started several months ago with the Red Cross in Korea. If there's people who needs a blood, and then they let them know the Red Cross, and then Red Cross will broadcast the area where that people locates, and then if he requires a RH minus and AB, then if someone's the volunteer, and then they let them know where is the nearest the point to donate the bloods. It's just very we don't charge for that kind of the processes, or the teenagers the counseling, volunteer counseling service like that. But if there's someone, some MPOs set up some organization to provide that kind of services, I think it might be it could be some other business. So and then currently the advertising is the very important business model. So if you organize any the socially CSR or the socially responsible activities, the portal, then if you access to some site, and then then you see the advertising campaign, then you could make another business models, I think. So I think ultimately this kind of business ideas using social responsibility activity I think it will be pretty much the helpful for this kind of activities to proliferate. Okay. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I work in Africa, and I just want to elaborate on your last answer. It would be wonderful for us, I work in public health in Africa, if there's a telecommunications company that would like to help us getting mothers that are living in rural remote areas and are ready to deliver and get complicated. Many times we don't have the possibility of communicating with the local hospital, so that's another idea that I just want to leave in the air for you all. Thank you.
Okay, I think the technologies we have applied for these kind of services those are not the high tech, so it's just an idea. And then if someone wants this kind of the idea in their area, I'm very happy to share our experience and our know-hows. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Kim. I think you'll all agree. One thing that we've found in our work, we used to talk about the globalization of CSR. We don't really use that phrase anymore because we found that as our work has gone more global and as we've had more participation from other countries and from people like Mr. Kim and his companies, we usually learn more than they do. And I certainly felt that way this morning. And so rather than the globalization of CSR, I think what we're learning is that CSR is in fact changing. It's not what we thought it was a few years ago, and we can look forward to much of the same.